Welcome back, Tectonians, to another video. Now, in today's video, we're going to be showing how to connect your LEDGER Nano X. Well, not how to connect, but how to transfer your PEGAS from your MetaMask account to your LEDGER Nano X or S account. Now, it's a very straightforward process. I'm not going to show you how to set up initially the LEDGER Nano, but I will show you how to transfer your PEGAS when you did set up your ledger. Okay, so first off, what we want to do is we want to connect it to our computer. Okay, and we're going to do that with a USB-C cable. Okay, then it asks you for your pin, and you're going to enter your pin, and then it's going to ask you to connect it to application. You could choose Ethereum or Polygon, it doesn't matter. Okay, so when we look at the MetaMask, we could see that here we have a ledger account. That's the ledger you would create in the beginning. And this is my test account, okay? So your PEGAS right now, if you didn't have your ledger, are in your initial MetaMask wallet. And what you want to do is you want to transfer those PEGAS into your ledger account, okay? So what we need for that is we need to get our ledger wallet address. Okay, so we went and we got our ledger wallet address. And then all we have to do is click transfer, type in your ledger wallet address that you created when you set up the ledger. Okay, you're going to click transfer, make sure everything is correct, and then you're going to transfer. Accept or confirm on your MetaMask. And that's it. So we're transferring a PEGA called Apple Watch, right? So let me show you guys right now. Let it transfer. There you go. It's done. And when it usually says send, but it's loading, you could just refresh. PEGA should be gone out of here in a couple seconds. It's always takes some time. You know. Well, now I have two PEGAS. Okay, there you go. It's gone. All right, so what you're going to do now when you transfer that PEGA, you're going to click MetaMask and you're going to go to your Ledger MetaMask account. And then you're going to click sign. And when you do that, your sign message will appear on your Ledger. And you just got to go to the right arrow a couple times and click sign message. And when you do that, it's going to log you in to your Ledger MetaMask. And as you could see, my PEGA is now there. Now, if you try to transfer it out, you're going to do the same process, but this time you're going to have to accept the transfer on your Ledger. Because the whole point of your Ledger is no one can really do anything to your assets because they need you to specifically verify it on your physical device. And that's how you would pretty much transfer all your PEGAS. One by one, you would click transfer your Ledger wallet and they would go there. Very simple and easy process. Hopefully this cleared it up. Quick video, guys. Get your Ledger. It's an amazing device. Will save you thousands of dollars, you know, in the future where all this cybersecurity hacking, you know, stuff happening. All right, guys. So thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It does really help me with YouTube algorithm, and it makes me or helps me make these videos for you guys. All right, Techaton out. Till next video, guys.